All right, so let's do the speaker. 1.7 mil. That's all you needed. And then I love this little tool I have, which is this guy. I just sort of pushed them in, popped her out. Now, more and more clips. These guys are actually safety. See, you gotta pull that out. Something like this. Let me get it with my other hand. Just pops upward. That's it. Just sort of get up under it and squeeze. Now I'm not replacing them. I'm just showing you. I'll see if I can get the brackets from your boys at Bezos. But if it was me, I'd cut this whole thing out. Cut, cut, cut. Break the whole thing out. All of it. Break all of it. So if they don't have brackets, that's what I would do. Because then it saves you money, and you can still mount it to this guy. Because the speaker is the actual. You see it move? See I'm pushing on it? That's what I would do. Cut, 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 cut. Cut it all out. And mount the new speaker right to this. I'll see if they have brackets, which would be nice. Make life a lot easier. But you never know. This is kind of a weird setup. But there you have it. So, like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.